You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
What if you just skip insurance? Here's the reality no one likes to talk about, but you need to know. Imagine your shipping container arrives, but part of it is missing. Your couch is soaked from an unexpected storm at sea, or custom misplaces your boxes during inspection. Without insurance, you eat the entire cost. You replace items out of pocket. You live with financial and emotional fallout. Our clients' electronics were water damaged in a rare storm. Because they had all risk insurance, they were fully reimbursed and settled into their new home stress-free. But another client skipped insurance, and when a fire at a port damaged their furniture, they faced thousands in losses, and they had to cover it all themselves. International moving means higher risks because you have more ports, more handlers, more inspections, and more miles. Even the best movers can't control hurricanes, custom errors, or accidents. Insurance is the only true protection. At SDC International Shipping, we don't just move your goods, we protect your move, your dreams, and your investment. In our last episode of this series, we're going to show you how simple it is to get protected with SDC and why smart moves always start with full coverage. To learn more, visit our website or give us a call, 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.